Okay, come on. I drove you up here. You can just insert it in the hole.
Bend over.
Hey guys, welcome back, RepTech Media. So y'all remember the video I did where I got this and I got scammed and all that fun stuff? I did a smart thing. The day I'm recording this, it's iPhone day. I already placed a pre-order. Smick, say hi to people.
Hello.
He's a little slow, but yeah, we're going to the Apple store. So let's go. Okie doke. So we are in front of the Apple store. There's a line. Nick's over here. He's decided he's getting a watch. Yeah. So you know, I was told the line's moving. It actually is, and we're gonna pick it up, and I'll show you guys what I got when it's in my hand. So cool. This thing is, even just the box, it's pretty. Time to peel. Why can't I catch it? There we go. Oh my god.
You want me to go grab a trade-in label for you? The printer, B5.
This thing is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get the screen protector and everything on before I drop it. Here we go. Let's do the thing. Oh, my finger was in the way. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna let everything go. So now we're waiting for the software to update so we can transfer all of my stuff from this phone to this phone. Cool. I will say though, like looking at the notch, I don't get bothered by it, but I found out you actually have to hold the button. Like if you just click it, it tells you to hold it, but that's actually cool. I don't know what I'm gonna reset that to be yet, but I'll reset it to something. But we're gonna be here in a minute. Oh, weird animation. I wanna know what it's doing though. Okay, so now that we're out of the Apple store and we're actually home, I can tell you guys a little bit about what I got. I will say though, the natural titanium, I am in love with this color, 100%. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll walk you through some of the things I do and don't like about this. But I will say, let me put it back in the case. I just wanted to show you guys the titanium now that we're out of the Apple store. I did buy this case from Apple, actually. It's a Otterbox Figura. It's a gorgeous color. I'll take that off. It's a MagSafe pop socket, but I love it. My number one gripe, actually, with like holding the phone, like when it's in my pocket, if I have my headphones in, like when I was at work last night, I accidentally hit the action button instead of the volume up button because I think it's too close together personally, but it's one of those, I got to get used to it. And then I had to set everything up. I ran into an issue. This was a me issue, not a Apple issue or anything, where the scanning thing wouldn't actually work. It was being a pain in the butt. But other than that, this thing is, I'm still getting used to the notch, but I'm also, you know, it feels a lot like my 13, but I will say having the USB-C on the bottom, giving you guys a closer look at that, it is fantastic, actually. I brought my phone to work the other day. The one thing I want to try out, I want to try and charge the iPhone 8 I'm recording on from this device. So I got to switch to another camera, probably the one up on my monitor. You can see I'm already editing. And let's see if it'll actually work. Okie dokie. So let's try this out. So I have a Lightning to USB-C. So we'll plug it into the 8 first. And let's plug it in. See if it works. No, that's actually awesome. It says actually unlock iPhone to use USB accessories. Let's see what it says. Can I access the files on it? No, I can't. That'd be cool though, because like when you plug it into a PC, it shows like iPhone. But no, that's actually like awesome. Also, can I just add how amazing it is that Apple finally gave us a decent cable in the box, because they gave us a braided cable. Just complete side note, but that's just awesome finally. I didn't realize, look how deep the divot in the top of the box is for the camera. That's just nuts. I did also mean to show you guys standby mode, so let's put my phone on, and boom. This is awesome, actually. Oh, it's my friend Anthony. I forgot I took a picture of him at work last night. But this is just cool. Like, I've swiped through this, I've played through it a little bit. I'm not sure where to get exactly the notifications, but I love playing with this thing. Whenever I get the chance, when I'm just chilling in the door, I just slap it on here. So I usually leave it on this screen. Okie dokie. So this video is actually the first one that I will have officially shot for anything on my 15. There's still some software bugs, but other than that, it's great. I went out to the local sportsman's club with my little brother and the rest of my family on Saturday. I would show you guys some of the photos that I took, but I do not want to get demonetized because they contain firearms. But on that note, guys, thanks for watching. Click up here to subscribe, down here to watch another video. I'm going to try and have some more videos up relatively soon, but until next time, guys, peace.